Mobile drilling aid for DIY. The Wolfcraft AccuMobile is a versatile and compact drilling aid, perfect for DIY enthusiasts looking for precision. It enables accurate vertical drilling on almost any surface, from smooth walls to round pipes and even sharp edges. The tool's rubberized supports ensure a firm grip, preventing slips during use. For round objects, the integrated V-groove ensures centered and precise drilling. The AccuMobile also includes 5 metal guide sleeves, ranging from 4 to 10 mm, maintaining perfect vertical alignment and preventing the drill bit from straying off course. Its compact, portable design makes it ideal for tight spaces, providing both accuracy and convenience. ErgoChair. The ErgoChair is designed specifically for mechanics and car enthusiasts, offering versatile functionality beyond a typical work seat. It features height adjustability, transforming seamlessly from a seat to a creeper. At its lowest setting, the seat is just 12 cm off the ground, while at its highest, it reaches 53 cm. The chair includes 3 large drawers to store nuts and washers, preventing them from getting lost in the inspection pit. A strong magnet is also integrated to keep your adjustable wrench within reach, eliminating the need to search for it on the floor. With a weight capacity of up to 159 kg, the ErgoChair is both sturdy and practical. Prices start at $625, making it a valuable addition to any workshop. Burr. The Burr is a specialized tool designed for professionals, specifically for external pipe chamfering. The PC 2000 model offers a working range of 75 to 110 mm, making it compatible with a variety of pipe sizes. It's powered by cordless drills of 14 volts or higher, adding convenience for on-site tasks. One of its standout features is automatic adjustment, making it easy to use without manual tweaking. The PC 2000 works not only with PVC but also CPVC, ABS, and PP pipes, increasing its versatility. Priced at $179, this tool provides precision and ease for pipe work. Laserliner DigiLevel. No modern toolset is complete without a reliable level, and the Laserliner DigiLevel Laser Designation 40 is a standout option. Offering more than just sleek design, it delivers precise accuracy of 0.5 mm per meter and provides digital tilt measurement over a full 360 degrees range. With its magnetic mount, this level is perfect for use on metal structures, making it a versatile choice for various projects. It also features audible navigation that alerts you at angles of degrees: 45 degrees, 90 degrees, 135 degrees, and 180 degrees, ensuring you stay on track. Available for $111, it combines accuracy, convenience, and modern functionality. ROBEND 4000E. While we're still waiting for a bending robot like Bender from Futurama, the ROBEND 4000E is a top choice for professionals in plumbing and air conditioning. This powerful tool comes with a rechargeable battery, capable of bending up to 60 copper pipes with a 28 mm diameter on a single charge. The ROBEND 4000E handles pipes up to 35 mm in diameter and is compatible with composite and steel pipes. It offers bending angles, up to 180 degrees, making it highly versatile for various applications. Weighing around 13 kg, it's a robust tool for heavy-duty tasks, with a price of $3,480. STANLEY FATMAX. STANLEY's FATMAX Tradelift is designed to meet a variety of lifting needs, whether you're holding a door, leveling a cabinet, or installing a new washing machine. This versatile universal jack supports loads up to 150 kg and can lift them to a height of 22 cm. The jack features a deeply recessed button for reducing the risk of accidental presses. Additionally, the lever allows you to lift weights using your foot, minimizing the risk of pinching your hands. With its practical design and safety features, the FATMAX Tradelift is available for $137, offering reliable performance for various tasks. Flexzilla Pro Coupler and Plug. The Flexzilla Pro Coupler and Plug set is designed to enhance both efficiency and ease of use in your workspace. One of its standout features is its high-performance airflow, delivering up to twice the air output compared to standard couplings. This increase in airflow results in faster and more efficient tool operation, making your tasks quicker and more productive. The push-to-connect system simplifies hose attachment. Just push and connect, eliminating the hassle of fiddling with fittings. With a maximum pressure capacity of 300 psi, this set ensures reliable and safe performance. Its universal 1x4 body size makes it compatible with most pneumatic tools, adding to its versatility. Not only is it functional, but the sleek and professional design also enhances the look of your workspace. This combination of performance, ease, and style makes the Flexzilla Pro Coupler and Plug set an excellent addition to any workshop. Bosch Paint Sprayer. Bosch, a global leader in car equipment, hasn't forgotten about DIY enthusiasts. Their PFS 7000 paint sprayer is a prime example, boasting a powerful 1,400 watt motor, making it the most powerful in its category. With this tool, you can cover up to 4 square meters in just a minute, ensuring fast and efficient work. Perfect for use with varnish, the PFS 7000 comes with 2 1-liter containers, offering extended use without frequent refills. The 4-meter hose provides excellent mobility, making it easy to maneuver while working. At $367, this paint sprayer offers power, efficiency, and versatility for DIY projects. Ego Portable Power Station. The Ego Power Plus Nexus is a formidable alternative to gas generators, offering impressive power and versatility. Users can install up to 4 batteries, each with a capacity of up to 12 amperes or 12 amperes hours, totaling a reserve of up to 48 amperes or 48 amperes hours. In terms of power output, the Nexus delivers 2,000 watts continuously and up to 3,000 watts peak, providing enough energy to run large household appliances such as a fridge or washing machine. It features 3 120-volt outlets and 4 USB ports, making it a robust solution for both high-power and portable charging needs. Flexzilla Extension Cord Reels. Flexzilla might sound like a movie about giant mutants or a new web browser, but it's actually a handy extension cord reel. This reel comes with 2 cables. One is 1.5 meters long with a plug, and the other is either 7.6 or 15 meters long with a triple outlet. The reel's transparent design serves a practical purpose. If you plug in a tool and see a green light, it means power is present. Both cords lock in place in 30-centimeter increments and retract automatically, similar to vacuum cleaner cords. The larger Flexzilla reel is priced at $70, while the smaller one is available for $12, making it a practical addition to any workspace. Chainsaw Mill. Turning logs into precise lumber can indeed be an art, especially with the right milling jigs. The top QSC team's latest innovation transforms a chainsaw into a milling machine, offering a hybrid solution for cutting logs into thick slabs. This jig allows you to mill pieces up to 30 centimeter thick and is constructed from durable aluminum and steel. It's designed to work with chainsaws that have a bar length of up to 91 centimeter, making it a versatile tool for woodworking enthusiasts and professionals alike. Makita Cordless Polisher. The Makita Cordless Polisher offers unmatched convenience with its cordless design, freeing you from the limitations of power outlets and tangled extension cords. This allows you to work anywhere with ease. The tool operates in 2 modes: random orbit with forced rotation or free rotation, providing flexibility for various polishing tasks. It features 2 power settings, high and low. The high power mode delivers corded level performance, making it perfect for surface corrections, while the low power mode extends runtime for prolonged polishing sessions. Equipped with a BL brushless motor, the polisher eliminates carbon brushes, enhancing efficiency and extending motor life. Additionally, the variable speed control ensures you can adjust the speed to suit each specific task, making it a versatile tool for any project. P1L Tagger Construction Printer. If someone asks, "What's in my pocket?" a printer might not be the first thing that comes to mind. But with the P1L Tagger, it's possible. This compact device is perfect for keeping job sites organized. It prints text, images, QR codes, and even photos, all sent from a smartphone connected via Bluetooth. The labels are durable, waterproof, and tear-resistant, making them ideal for tough environments. When fully charged, the P1L can print labels for up to 12 hours. The basic kit, which includes the printer, app access, and a roll of labels, costs just $99. Spanner Wrench Extender. When a nut is out of reach, you might wonder how to extend your wrench without damaging it. Instead of welding a rod to your tool, the Spanner Wrench Extender offers a smarter solution. This extender attaches to the wrench, becoming a new handle and increasing its length by 38 centimeters. Thanks to the physics of leverage, a longer handle means less force is needed to loosen or tighten nuts. The steel jaw is designed to fit various wrench sizes, including adjustable ones. This handy tool provides an easy solution for just $40, making tough jobs much easier. AOM Tools 2. Pack Steel Car Ramps. When a single jack isn't enough and you need access near the crankcase, AEM Tools steel car ramps are the perfect solution. These ramps can support vehicles weighing up to 5 tons, offering even a Hummer H1 a secure lift. With a gentle slope, they allow sedans and hatchbacks to easily ascend without risking bumper damage. The hydraulic cylinders are hand-operated with a crank, following the simple but reliable design principle. Fewer mechanisms, greater reliability. Each ramp weighs 36 kilograms and is available for $222, providing strength and stability for a wide range of vehicles. Trac Tire Jack. While levers have been around for centuries, tire jacks like the Trac Tire Jack are a more recent innovation. This product is essentially a curved steel plate with a roller designed to assist in placing the wheel onto the hub. Despite its simple design, it's highly effective and helps prevent back strain for drivers. Weighing 3.5 kilograms and measuring 50 centimeters in length, the Trac Tire Jack is built for durability. Although it's a straightforward tool, its practicality and construction come with a price of $150. Geevorks Nail Gun. The Geevorks Nail Gun is designed for driving fasteners like concrete nails with the power of gunpowder, making it suitable for masonry and steel structures. It features adjustable impact force with 5 different levels, which can be modified by unscrewing special plugs. Included in the kit are safety goggles and earplugs, emphasizing the importance of safety while using the tool. Remarkably, the Geevorks Nail Gun is priced at just $24.50. Given its low cost, you might wonder about its durability and longevity, but it offers a surprising value for its price. Carbench UL300. The Carbench UL300 hydraulic car lift is an excellent choice for garages or small workshops with limited space. When folded, it's just 10 centimeters tall, making it easy to store, but it extends to lift cars to a standing height. The lift offers over 10 settings to accommodate any passenger car, with an adjustable restraining bar width to match the vehicle's dimensions. Controlled via a remote, it allows for precise adjustments by tightening bolts at specific points. The UL300's design emphasizes reliability and versatility, making it a practical addition to any workspace. DEWALT UK. DEWALT, a leading name in the construction market since 1922, is renowned for its innovative tools. From pioneering the world's first radio arm saw to launching the first cordless plunge saw in 2008, DEWALT has continually pushed boundaries. Today we're focusing on their compact cordless circular saw, which weighs just 2.5 kilograms, making it easy to use with one hand. This model offers a maximum cutting depth of 39 mm at a 90 degrees angle. With a 5 ampere-hour battery, it can cut up to 90 meters of 12 mm thick plywood on a single charge. This tool is priced at $590, reflecting its advanced features and efficiency.